What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be an epic CVS beauty haul. I have so long I don't do a beauty haul where I share with you guys either new products or products that I've been loving and repurchasing. Today's video is sponsored by L'Oreal. I'm so happy that I'm able to share with you guys some affordable items that I've personally been loving for some time, or some new items that I'll be trying out and you guys can also get your hands on. So without further ado, let's jump right into the haul. Alright, so let's begin with some new products from L'Oreal. These are their new deep conditioners. These are the Rapid Reviver deep conditioners. So we have one from their Extraordinary Oil line. Love, love, love that line, especially because it nourishes and keeps your hair so silky and healthy looking. It's supposed to be 2 times more nourished than a leave-in conditioner, and it's great for dry hair. The good thing about these dip conditioners is that it's good to use on the daily, it says here, which is great if you wash your hair every day. I personally wash it every other day, but it's great to use daily as well. Another good thing that I see here is that it says it revives in only 60 seconds, which is amazing for us lazy people that don't like waiting to like have it work in your hair for too long. So you can leave it in just for 60 seconds, which is amazing. They also have one for colored hair, which is their Color Vibrancy, I think you pronounce it. I'm really bad pronouncing things, you guys know this. So if you have color treated hair, this one will be for you, the red one. I personally would also use this since I dye my hair like a blue-black shade, and it would help my color stay on for a lot longer. And then the third one low-key has to be my favorite because I've been a huge fan of the Total Repair 5 line, especially their treatment. I actually have it in the bathroom. Let me go get it real quick. When I tell you guys that I've been using this line for many years, I'm not kidding. This is it. It's literally like almost done, but I've been obsessed using their Damage Erasing Balm. It literally cures your hair if you have either split ends or dry hair or anything. So I'm super duper excited about the Total Repair 5 deep conditioner, since you only have to use it for 60 seconds and it's supposed to nourish your hair and keep it a lot more moisturized and healthier looking. So yeah, I'm going to be testing these out. I'll be linking everything down below for you guys in case you want to also shop your favorites. Moving on with some concealers. These are new L'Oreal Infallible concealers. They're actually not too new because I have used them before, and honestly they're my favorite concealers at the drugstore, and even just in general they're amazing concealers. Highly recommend to use. They're full coverage but lightweight and a really creamy, great blendable formula. Again, this is what it looks like. It's their Infallible full wear concealers. They have over 25 shades, and I use it in caramel for, let's say, cleaning off my brows or spot treatment in my skin, because again, it's a really full coverage and great blendable formula. So you can multi-use this. Like, you can use it for foundation or concealer, or even mix it with your moisturizer and use it as a BB cream. I feel like it's a multi-use type of concealer. But for my under eye, I've been using it in 385, which is amber. It is a pretty light shade for my skin color, but I do like my under eyes to be a little bit lighter. But yeah, I just been loving this formula. Let me quickly swatch it for you guys. Love, love, love the wand. It's just one of those wands that a lot of products comes out, but not too much, and it gets the perfect amount of product, so you don't have to dip in a few times. I literally just use one wand for both eyes, if that makes sense. But that's what it looks like right there. Again, like, incredibly full coverage. Also, makeup wise, they now have stick foundations, which I'm super excited for because I feel like I've only used stick foundations once and I wasn't too fond of it. So I'm very excited to try this one out, especially because it's from the drugstore and it's affordable, and it's from my favorite foundation line ever. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I've been a huge Infallible fan for the longest now. The foundation I have on and that I basically technically use every single day, it's the Infallible Pro Glow. Obsessed with that foundation. I feel like it's a great foundation all year round, but the entire Infallible line, I feel like it's amazing. I feel like I've done a first impression in probably all their foundations except for this one. So let me know if you guys want to see a first impression on a stick foundation formula. It's their Longwear Shaping Stick Foundation, has SPF 27. I have here 10, so let me just like swatch it right here, which to me, I feel like it has a more neutral undertone. I have more of a yellow undertone. Like, I might be honey. Yeah, this one has more of a yellow undertone, I may or may not be one under this, but I will be trying out honey. I feel like stick foundations are great because again, they're multi-use. So you can use it as a foundation, as a concealer, or even to cream contour. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below because I've heard nothing but great reviews on it. New serum alert. I love finding great skincare from the drugstore. I feel like it's just such a gem to find. And let me tell you, the Revitalift line from L'Oreal is honestly the best one out there right now. This one is their new Treat Revitalift Derm Intensives 1.5 pure hyaluronic acid serum. It visibly replumps skin, reduces wrinkles, and it's fragrance free. I do want to mention serums are very important in skincare, and at first I didn't see the need or use of serum since I personally just go right into a moisturizer. But a serum is just a thinner consistency that has amazing benefits for your skin, and then you can go in with your regular moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It looks very high-end in my opinion. Love the packaging, love the fact that it's see-through, love the fact that the actual product inside is see-through and clear. You can use it every morning and evening, 1 to 3 drops to face and neck, avoiding eye area. I feel like the best part about this is that it works right away, because normally with skincare you have to wait so long to see results, but you'll be able to see immediate results, also a 1-week follow-up or a 2-week follow-up where your skin will feel a lot more rejuvenated, more moisturized, and also visibly improves fine lines and wrinkles. Let me quickly just apply a little bit. Ooh, it's actually not too like liquidy, which I love. I mean, it is, but it seems immediately hydrating on my skin. Highly recommend. I just swatched it on my hands, but I'm definitely going to be following up with you guys. Maybe follow me on Instagram so you could see a follow-up on there. All right, I also grabbed my favorite body wash and scrub from Bliss. So Bliss, you can find it at your local CVS, which is amazing. This is actually not a new product for me because it's actually my 3rd bottle, but I love this body wash. It just leaves my skin feeling super clean and smelling amazing. The scent is lemon and sage. Not much to say. I just love the fact that it brings so much product in here and it's easy to just pump when you're taking a shower. So love this, love the scent. And then their body scrubs are one of my favorites as well. So I got the lemon and sage scent, which is the same one as the body wash, and that's what it looks like. It has shea butter and coconut oil, and I feel like it's just very moisturizing of a scrub, which is amazing, where like it actually scrubs your skin but it leaves it feeling super nourished and healthy and glowy. So love this. It's not too harsh on your skin. And then I also got the hot salt scrub, which is self-heating, so it's going to feel very spa-like. This one has rosemary and eucalyptus, so it smells amazing as well. Wow. Now, this product is actually new to me. It's their Jelly Glow Peel. It's gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzyme. I wonder if this is one of those that removes dry skin. Let me see real quick. Going to a little, oh, dude. Okay, I'm here for this. Highly recommend. I just use it once, but it's supposed to leave it moisturized and feeling a lot more nourished and hydrates, leaving skin soft. This gentle jelly peel uniquely exfoliates with soft plant-based fibers that act like micro lint rollers to capture and roll away dry, flaky skin and dirt. This sounds very promising and I already love it by just doing it in my arm right now. So L'Oreal has a new member to the Pure Clay Mask collection. My favorite has to be the charcoal one, of course. Honestly, out of all masks, the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask charcoal one has to be hands down my favorite, high-end or lower end. So this one is the Clarify and Smooth one, which addresses your skin concerns for smooth, even, and resurfaced skin. Smells amazing, and it has some beads in there as well, so very excited to try out this one. But I am a huge fan of the entire Pure Clay mask, so I'll be linking it down below for you guys as well. Another mask, this one is really different from anything I own. It's from Bliss. It's their Mint Chip Mania Cooling and Soothing Ice Cream Texture Mask. What? Ice cream? Sure, give it to me. It looks so delicious in this photo right here, but this is what it looks like. Let's see. It's actually very cooling and it literally feels like ice cream. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh, I have to try this out as well. I love face masks, guys. Like, I am a huge fan of face masks. By the way, this one is supposed to be great for dry skin. I personally have combination skin, but I use every sort of masks on my face. Also new to me has to be this L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dewy Mist. I've tried the Lumi line before and I've been a huge fan because it definitely brings a lot of glow to your skin. Wow, this is nice. All right, I'm actually going to try this on my face real quick. Oh my god, does it look any different? Because on my phone it looks like I have legit dewy skin right now. I love this and I haven't seen anyone talk about this, so let me know if it's actually new or if I'm just late to the bandwagon. Skincare, I have two products to share with you guys. This one I've actually mentioned on my monthly favorites and I have to mention it again here on this haul because I feel like it's one of those products that everyone should go and grab. It's the Biore Witch Hazel Pore Clarifying Toner. It has salicylic acid, acne treatment, lightweight, oil-free, controls oil and deep cleanses your pores. I'm not going to lie to you guys and say, oh, I use toners every day, but I have been incorporating this one a lot more in my skincare. I just personally tend to forget or tend to get a little bit lazy when it comes to toner stuff, but it is very important, especially with global warming and if you live in a city like New York City. It's just really nice to get all that junk out of your face, so a toner is a must. And if you have acne skin or just get pimples from time to time, toners are a lifesaver, so definitely important on your skincare routine. Now, my favorite makeup remover, you guys already know this, is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I feel like this has been out for a while now, but I'm going to mention it again because it's that amazing. It's honestly a magic in a bottle. It's an all-in-one which removes makeup, cleanses, and refreshes your skin. No rinse necessary or harsh rubbing. I personally use this first though and then move into a cleanser, so I do wash my face, you know what I mean? But if you get home late or are too lazy to do your normal skincare routine, I highly recommend to leave this in your nightstand with some cotton pads and just remove your makeup in bed and it's good to go. So love this. I also love the travel size. I feel like it's perfect when traveling. All right, so lastly, I have two hair products to share with you guys. So these are the new L'Oreal Colorista hair makeup. These are amazing for festival season or just for fun in the summertime. It's not damaging to your hair, so if you want to add some color to your hair and don't want to go through the whole like bleach process, these are very fun. I have used the blue one before and absolutely love. So they have a purple, blue, pink, and then for the blonde side, they also have the same shades, but they go in differently. So kind of like a lighter blue, a lilac shade, and a pink one. I feel like obviously for light hair, these products work best, but they also look great on dark hair. So don't be afraid to use these on your dark hair because the blue one looked really cool on my hair. Now, the new thing about these is that they're hair makeup. So they are a liquid. You would grab it and then just quickly like run your fingers through it, brush it off, and it's going to just give you a hint of shade. It's just a super easy out the door kind of thing. Personally, I prefer their sprays, but the hair makeup one is less drying like a spray, obviously. To me, the spray one looks more intense on my hair, which is why I love it the most. This one is a silver one, which I'm super tempted to try it out because it looks amazing on the bottle. It low-key gives me Game of Thrones vibes, you know, like the Night King. I don't know, but if you're doing a Night King, definitely recommend this for Halloween. Last but not least has to be one of my favorite products that I've been using for many years from L'Oreal, and it's perfect for us lazy girls. This is legit a magic in a bottle. So it's the L'Oreal Magic Roots Cover Up Spray. It comes in many different colors. I personally use the black, and here's why I use it. Technically, this is meant for gray hairs. I thankfully don't have any at the moment. Knock on wood, so it doesn't come any sooner. So if you have gray hair, this is your product, girl. It also works amazing if you have thin hair or a lot of sparse areas on your head. I feel like it covers that up very, very nicely. Or if you have some hair growth and don't want to dye your hair at the moment, this also works amazing to cover up the growth. To me, the awesome thing is that it comes in so many colors, so it's useful for like endless colors. It even has one for platinum hair, I believe, which is amazing because I feel like that's the worst color when it comes to hair growth. So the shades that I have are medium brown, light golden brown, light brown, dark brown, and black. Black is the shade that I use. I love it. It's super pigmented. By the way, another way that I use is whenever I have updos or a ponytail, buns as well, because it covers up like all of this. And even if you want to like make your hairline look super intense, also amazing. Oh my god, wait, one more thing. I think this is a major hack for guys that are balding. I mean, call me crazy, it's not necessarily what it's sold for, but I have given one to my cousin where he's balding a little bit and he has sprayed it and it looks like his hair, you know? Overall, I think it's an amazing product and it has many uses. As you can tell, I'm a huge fan of it. So yeah, anyways, that was pretty much it for my epic CVS beauty haul. Let me know in the comments below which were your favorites or that you're excited to try out. If you have used any of these products as well, I would love to hear your thoughts. I'll be linking everything down below. Make sure to check your local CVS to find these items and see you next time. Bye! From L'Oreal, it's honestly